Hi everyone, Edie Summers here, and I am going to show you just a few mellow moves that you can do for in mind body fitness and yoga and qigong, perhaps, or just mind body fitness in general that will help to build your energy levels. So, mind body fitness is really great because it keeps you in the relaxation response. Traditional exercise often keeps you in the stress response, which is why sometimes you'll feel worse afterwards. So mind body fitness, like yoga, is a really great way to build chi in your body, and it keeps you in the parasympathetic response. So it's which is where you heal. The relaxation response is the same thing as the parasympathetic response. It's where you heal. So I'm just going to show you a couple moves today. If you would like to see more longer free videos on mind body fitness like yoga and qigong and guided meditations, join my wellness website. It's called connectwell.com and it's free to join. It's CONNEKTWELL.com. And also, if you would like to learn more about how to build more energy in your body and how to manage stress and self-care, I'll tell you a little bit more about how you can work with me to build your energy levels. I have what I call positive recovery from what's known as ME or CFS or SEID, and doing yoga and mind body fitness and living mindfully and putting self-care first made a huge difference for me and how I feel. And mind body fitness is still something that I practice all the time to stay well. So on that note, here are a few short moves. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have my mat right here, and just find a place where you feel comfortable and you can sit with sit in a seated position. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let's see where you can see me good on the screen. Let's see, maybe right here. This looks good. Okay. So I like to bring my my middle finger, and my thumbs together. You know, some people do first and second. I like middle finger and thumb. Sit up nice and straight. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands on your knees and breathe deeply. Starting from your belly, fill your whole body with new oxygen, and we're going to do a little bit of ocean breathing. So you want to breathe in and out like the ocean. So think of how the ocean breathes. The water, take a nice deep inhale, the water travels in toward the shore and there's a slight pause. And then exhale as the wave and the water travels back out to the sea or the ocean, and there's a slight pause again. So inhale as you come in, pause. Exhale as the water travels back out, pause. We're going to do the same thing with our breath, and breath is the best way to build chi and energy in your body. It's something that you do every few seconds if you think about it. So take a nice deep inhale, hold, and exhale. Hold. Inhale and hold, and exhale and release. Let's do that a few more times just on your own, and we're practicing a little bit of ocean breathing here and pranayama, literally bringing energy into your body through breath. So if you're too tired to do anything else, just breathe. Inhale and hold, and exhale, release and let go. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. So now we're going to add a little bit of wave motion into this with our bodies. So we're going to do a little bit of modified cat and cow here. But what I love about breathing is that it does create that wave motion in your body. So we're going to do that with our bodies as well. So take a nice deep inhale first. On the exhale, contract your belly in toward your spine. Inhale, extend and open up your chest and lengthen through your spine. Exhale, pull your belly in toward your spine, contract. Inhale, straighten up your spine, open up your heart, gaze up toward the ceiling or sky. And exhale, contract. Inhale, open your heart. And exhale, contract. Can you see how your Still breathing and connecting breath with movement. At the same time, you're starting to build chi in your body through a wave-like motion. Beautiful. Let's do cat and cow, the more traditional way. So I'm going to come where you can see me. So let's try this way. So you're going to place your hands right underneath your shoulders and place your, line up your knees with your hips. And let me see if you can still see me here. Just want to get in a place you can see me. Inhale, bring your belly toward your spine. Drop your head. And exhale, extend head and tailbone towards sky. Inhale, bring your belly toward your spine. Drop your head. Exhale, extend head and tailbone towards sky. Do that a few more times. Inhale, extend, bring belly toward your spine. Exhale, extend head and tailbone towards sky. Now on this time, we're going to stay here in tabletop, and I'm just going to go where you can see me. And let's go ahead and take a nice deep inhale. On the exhale, drop your right hip to your right foot. Then move your hips toward the center, over to your left, and inhale as we come up. And let's try to reverse that. Take a nice inhale first. Exhale, drop your left hip to your left heel, through to the center, over to your right, and inhale as we come up. So I'm going to do it. So that's a nice way to also build wave energy in the body. Let's come to, I'm trying to think of something we can do where you can see me. Let's come to seated again, and we're going to do a reverse tabletop. So this time, so before we were in tabletop, this time we're in reverse tabletop. So you're going to line up your heels with your hips and point your hands the same direction as your feet are pointing. Take a nice deep inhale. And on the exhale, lift your torso toward the sky. Exhale. And release and come down. That's a nice way to build some energy. Let's bring the palms of our feet together. The soles of our feet together. So we're now in butterfly. So you can feel your energy starting to open up a little bit. Breathe. You can even pulse. You can hold your feet with your hands. Sit up nice and tall. And breathe. Now let's cross your legs again. Take a nice deep inhale. And on your exhale, bring your right hand in front of you and extend your left arm up to the sky and feel that nice gentle twist. Exhale. Inhale as we come back up. This time bring your other hand in front of you. Inhale. On the exhale, twist up to your opposite side and feel that nice release in your side body and in your hips. Beautiful. Inhale. Let's come back up. And let's just stay here. We're in a seated position. These are just a couple of moves. There's so much that you can do with Mind Body Fitness to build your energy. So this is just a taste of it. Again, if you want to see more longer Mind Body Fitness videos in yoga and qigong, go ahead and sign up for connectwell.com. It's CONNECTWELL.com. And if you would like to learn more about how to build mind, body, fitness, but also your energy levels, I have an entire course. It's a self-coaching course on how to build your energy levels. If you click on the link below, you can find out more information about that. You can also get a free ticket to work with me in person for free, so I hope you come check it out. I've actually included in the course 2 of my books on energy and health and well-being. The Memory of Health, it's almost 500 pages. It's yours with the course, as well as my book, Self-Coach Your Way to More Energy. Come learn how to improve your energy levels. We have some Mind Body Fitness videos in there, a guided meditation, intimate yoga, and video journals, as well as other people who are in the course. If you want to learn how to manage your stress, practice self-care, learn how to build your energy levels, click on the link below. And also just remember to put yourself first, take care of yourself, know that you can improve your energy levels. Even the smallest things that you do will improve your energy. The most important thing is to connect to your breath. Connect to your breath always when you're doing yoga. Connect breath with movement. But just remember to breathe. Breathing is something we do a few seconds all the time. So we're constantly breathing. So you can bring new vitality and life into your body. Bring your hands and palms to heart center. With each breath that you take, inhale in new life and energy. And on the exhale, exhale any worry or stress. Inhale energy and hope and joy. Exhale fear and stress and worry. Inhale light and energy and joy and well-being. And exhale and release anything that no longer serves you. Keep breathing on your own. Inhale and exhale. Feel the energy between the palms of your hands. And notice the life force that's inside of you. Thank you for practicing with me today. The light in me honors and sees the light in you. Namaste. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.